All right, well, this is going to conclude Workshop Wasteland Tricks or Treats video series. Hopefully you found some of this information entertaining. Hopefully you found more of it useful. And hopefully you enjoyed being here for all of these awesome videos that I've put out. I will honestly say this sounded super easy to do in the beginning when I said, hey, I'm going to do all of this. I'm going to make a video every day for the month of October. But I'm not going to lie, it's a lot more difficult than it sounds. I'm straight up out of ideas. I think I've shared most of the cool things that I've done. And like I said, to be honest, I just don't really have anything else to share. So I'm really, really glad we're at the end of the month and I can call this done. So as they may say, put a knife in it or put a fork in it, we're done. But I really, really greatly appreciate everybody watching the videos, especially the folks who have commented and left other interesting ideas or maybe even some comments about what I could have done differently or, you know, things to help me along the way. I genuinely love just immersing myself in information and I love learning. I watch a crap ton of YouTube. I read a ton of books. I really genuinely just really enjoy learning. And I'm not going to lie, I'm a total 100% self-taught machinist. I'd never had any kind of actual formal training, and I'm definitely not saying that I'm doing most things correctly. However, I'm getting the job done, and I'm making some really cool stuff. More importantly, I'm having a fantastic time doing it. This YouTube journey has been a lot of fun. I really enjoy the interaction in the comments. Like I said, I enjoy the tips and tricks that other people give me because that's how I learn. And I'm able to just go and try it and say, all right, cool, that was awesome. Or, that kind of sucked. That didn't work well for me. Maybe I'll revisit that at a later time when I have other knowledge to help support that. So thank you so very much for coming along for this journey. If you haven't subscribed, now would be a great time to do so, and here's why. This is the ultimate treat. I know it's not a lot, but everybody started somewhere, and we're starting right here today with a sticker giveaway. I got some small stickers made with my logo that you've seen in most of my videos. This logo behind me right here, as you can see, Workshop Wasteland set of calipers. I think it's a pretty cool logo. Stickers turned out great, and I want to give a couple of them away. So the caveat to this is you have to subscribe to the channel, you have to like this video, and you have to leave a comment down below that says the word sticker. That's going to be the three things that it takes to get you entered into a little giveaway. I'm not going to go live or anything. I don't have that big of a following on YouTube that I think that's really needed. I'm going to pick 3 or 4, maybe 5 people down in the comments below with the word sticker, and make sure they like the video, make sure they're subscribed to the channel, and then I'll figure out how I can get your address in a secure and discreet way. I don't really want you to put your address on a comment on YouTube for the whole world to see. I personally wouldn't do that. I don't want you to do that. I may make like a email address that's just going to be used this one time, like for a channel giveaway or something. That way when it gets filled with spam, who cares? It's not really important. But if you're interested in that, like I said, I have a couple stickers to give away, probably like 4 or 5, something like that. And I'd love for you to throw this on your refrigerator or on your toolbox, you know, wherever you have your sticker collection. I have a pretty awesome sticker collection. Not going to lie, I'm a little bit proud of the stickers that I have. I have some pretty good ones. I know a lot of the YouTube machinists also do stickers as a giveaway. But my goal is to get to a point where I can have some merch, probably do something out of the ordinary, not just t-shirts, hats, and koozies, because everyone does that. I'm not that cool. I'm not that popular. I don't think many people are probably going to buy a t-shirt other than just simply to support, which would be great. But I'm hoping to do some kind of different, unique, actually awesome giveaways, maybe more along the lines of like handmade items versus just having some company in China make some subpar products at a good price. So stay tuned for all of that in the future. I do want to leave you with a question. I'd love it if you answer on top of the word sticker. I'm curious what people would genuinely like to see. Some ideas I have, maybe some more 3D printing content, knife making videos. I've dabbled a little bit with blacksmithing. I could probably do some stuff there. I do have another engine build planned. I need to get through some things here coming up towards the holidays before I can start that. But I do plan on machining another engine. Hopefully folks enjoy it. To be honest, it's what I want to do. I'm going to make the videos about it. If that's not really your thing, I totally understand, and don't expect you to watch it if you don't like it. There is a lot of valuable information in the machining world within my videos, even if you're not machining an engine. If you're just a machinist, I'd like to hope that I'm putting out some good information for you to use and follow in your own little home shop, because again, that's the whole point of this channel, is growing and learning together. I learned a ton from YouTube. I'm trying to do my part and give back. Hope to be able to teach y'all some neat things that maybe you did or didn't know. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning into all of these videos. I really appreciate the support. And until next time, hope you all have a fantastic day, and we'll see you soon.